Welcome to the Ultimate Jamaica Review Part 1. We are back from Jamaica and this video will answer the questions where to stay and what to eat when you're visiting beautiful Jamaica.
If you have seen our vlogs, you already know that we spent quite a while in Jamaica and experienced the country in many different ways.
And if you have not seen our vlogs, or if you have seen our vlogs and you're not a subscriber yet, don't forget to subscribe now and hit that notification bell because there are 2 more parts to this video series that you don't want to miss.
And with that said, we want to jump straight into the first part of our ultimate review to answer the questions where to stay and what to eat.
When it comes to accommodation, you could either choose between a private residence, an Airbnb or guest house, or you could choose to stay in a hotel. Let's start off with the private residence. As seen in our first day in Jamaica vlog, link right here, we got to spend some time with my parents at their private residence in Mandeville. Fresh cooked meals from my mom included.
Shout out to Sheila and Wesley, we miss you guys. And while staying with family or friends at a private residence in Jamaica is certainly the most cost-efficient option, we are aware that not everyone has family or friends to visit. So let's jump straight to option number 2, Airbnbs and guest houses. Airbnbs and guest houses are a great alternative if you do not want to stay in a hotel. The main difference is that hotels are often located in the more touristic parts of the country, while you will find Airbnbs and guest houses almost everywhere.
You normally get what you pay for, but be aware that Airbnbs and guest houses are privately owned, and what you see online may not always be what you get. This also happened to us at our first Airbnb, and we talked about it at the beginning of one of our road trips, but see for yourself.
No running water, we had to really ask them and please
turn the water
on. We want to take a shower or use the bathroom. And to be honest, for an Airbnb, that was pretty disappointing.
Yeah, very disappointing.
And we were also not able, you saw...
I think that is a no-no. And
we should not be in the need of using our drinking water to brush our teeth.
Yes.
When it comes to feeling safe and secure, Airbnbs, especially the affordable ones, can be very tricky. 2 out of 4 Airbnbs we stayed at had no real security measures, not even a door with a lock. And that left us sometimes with the feeling, okay, is it really safe here or are we in danger?
Price-wise, Airbnbs can be very cost-effective compared to a hotel, but there are also many that are equally expensive. Overall, you will certainly get to experience the real Jamaica a little bit more when staying in an Airbnb or a guest house compared to a hotel, which is the next option on our list.
During our entire trip throughout Jamaica, we actually just spent 1 single night in a hotel in Montego Bay. But we must say that the hotel reviews online do really give you a good idea what to expect when going into a hotel. Compared to the Airbnb reviews, which we mentioned earlier, they can be a little tricky and maybe sometimes even misleading. So that's the good thing about the hotel, you know what to expect.
Safety and security at a hotel is certainly better than most Airbnbs. Of course, a commercial run operation such as a hotel has way more assets and guests to protect compared to an Airbnb or a guest house. Talking about comfort, we do have mixed feelings even in the best hotels, because with the knowledge that every other night a different person is sleeping in the same bed makes us feel a little Overall, a hotel is the place to be if you want to experience a resort vacation with limited exposure to the real life on the island.
Okay, now that we have talked about and answered the question where to stay, we want to talk about another very important thing, at least for us and I think for you too, food. So, let's answer the question, what to eat. And depending on your location, meaning where you are staying, you probably have also different options of how to get the daily treats for your taste buds.
Of course, if you're staying at a hotel resort, you already have in-house restaurants and room service to satisfy your cravings. But there is so much more to be discovered.
Street vendors, beach huts and shacks actually offer a way more authentic experience of the local Jamaican cuisine than any other hotel, as you actually can see in our videos from Portland when we had lunch on the beach and we visited the Boston Jerk Center. If you missed it, the videos are right here.
And you may also remember Nick's first day video when he tried the famous Jamaican fast food patty and cocoa bread. It is simple, a lot of carbs, but this delicious combination is a treat that Nick simply could not resist. But there are more healthy options. If you're staying at an Airbnb or a guest house with a kitchen, you can either cook for yourself or have a private chef prepare some delicious Jamaican meals, no matter what it is: ackee and saltfish, jerk chicken, oxtail, curry goat, or ital food.
And a lemon beer, please.
Jamaica is filled with a wide variety of foods, and you will find groceries for your home-cooked meals at the supermarket or at the weekly market in each town.
Attention, if you're staying in the rural parts of Jamaica, a bigger store or supermarket might be a longer drive away, and we highly recommend that you stock up before heading to your final destination, because we didn't and we had to learn it the hard way. Attention, last but not least, when it comes to real authentic Jamaican food, it can get very spicy. So please share the level of spice you can tolerate with your cook so the Scotch bonnet peppers don't burn you to the ground.
So no matter where you choose to stay or what you choose to eat, you will have to get out and get around the area somehow. But this question will be answered in part 2 of the Ultimate Jamaica Review. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you're one of the first to know when the new video drops.
See you in the next video.
Auf Wiedersehen.
See you soon. Later.
Stop! You normally